This isn't just history, this is soul activation. You carry Nanny's DNA, Maroon consciousness, memory of people who refused to be enslaved and built free communities. That didn't disappear. It is in you, it's in your bones, it's in your blood. But you have to activate it. Now remember, your ancestors were mystics, spiritual warriors who understood consciousness colonizers feared. They unified. They didn't fight each other. They fought the system. Together, they connected to the land. They sustained themselves. They didn't need permission to exist freely. They operated on high vibration, not fear, not scarcity, but love, love for their people, elevation of consciousness. That's who you are. That's what's embedded in you. And the moment you remember, everything changes. You stop destroying each other and you start building together. You stop depending on their systems and start creating your own. You become what they fear, a people who know their power. So now it's time to activate.